Today I am at the Box Garden at Legacy West up in Plano, Texas. We are doing a site inspection for VUE Audiotechnik and the massive line array they have in this food garden. I'm not sure what you would call it. We are in a Genie boom lift. We're about to go up in the air, check out this VUE line array system. Alright, all of the screws are out. Let's take this grill off and see how they're doing. Looks like the grill cloth is doing really well. It's adhering really well. There's no pullbacks. The grill is holding up really well. There's no water holding in the bottom. It's looking really good. Looks like the drivers are in working order. They're free. I can hear the Jeff driver. That's looking great. So, second to the bottom looks really good. I do believe this PA's been out here for almost a year now with the direct sun. And in Texas, that gets really hot. The weather, we just had a lot of hailstorms come through a couple of days ago, and there's no water being held in. I mean, they look incredible for being outdoor units. All right, let's check this very top driver out. Wow, this guy is looking incredible too. Looks like all the drivers looks really good. No joke, the guys just came in to start setting up for lunch out here, and they kicked on this PA while I'm putting this grill back on this unit. Talking about being 40 foot in the air and getting pretty scared pretty fast. Wow, I'm glad I'm in a really nice Genie. Whew, man. actually kind of hard to tell these things have even been outside. And I want to say they've been hanging here for almost a year now. This is really impressive stuff. Great job, VUE. It's time to get out of here. VUE PA looks incredible. I mean, for being hung out here for so long without any weather problems. I mean, this place has had high winds, it's had hail, it's had extreme Texas heat up to 111 degrees, and there's no paint fading, there's no cracking, the speaker grill cloths are intact, and it has no fading on the actual grill itself. All of the drivers look incredible, like they just rolled out of the shop. And all the pins are good. There's no rust in any of the hardware. So the problem in this room is they use it as kind of a altogether audio bin where all of the cables sit, right? And also in the same room is all of the actual rack system, right? So with them opening and closing the door constantly, it's bringing dust particles and rocks and all kinds of stuff in here. And the V6 system engines are getting excessively dirty and because they're running constantly. So while I'm out here, I'm trying to get them to implement shutting these amplifiers off whenever they're not running the system, so it doesn't sit there and run for weeks at a time whenever the slow season comes by. That way you don't have a ton of filters getting clogged up, and so while I'm here, I'm dusting out the amplifiers, cleaning all of those filters so they can breathe, and so they don't get overheated, and so there's not a whole lot of dust particles getting inside of the circuitry that can, over time, with hot circuits, can actually etch into the circuits because there's a lot of minerals in this dust. There's a lot of probably zinc and copper, because definitely copper, because it's more of a red dirt. as you can tell, I just finished cleaning out the filters, got the amplifiers looking great, and so today we went up in the boom lift, we checked out the array. The array looks great. We got underneath the stage, we checked out the subwoofers. They're a little dusty, but they're doing 100%. I walked the entire venue, checked out all of the components, made sure the subwoofers upstairs are operational, making sure that the balcony drivers are operational, and we did a walk out into the rest of the facility and made sure that all of the awning drivers are still operational, and the facility looks 100%. Here it is a year and a half later after the install, and VUE Audiotechnik is killing it. It's doing a great job.